Aye. The woods and waterfall of Arrowe Country Park. New Year's Day 2022. Really warm day. Very pleasant. Bit muddy underfoot with all the rain. But anyway, here I am in Arrowe Country Park. I hope 2022 is going to be a good year. 21 was, especially with the COVID, difficult. And with mum dying, of course. But other than that, it's not been a bad year. At least not for me. It could have been a lot worse. But anyway, here we are, Arrowe Country Park. There's the waterfall, which is quite full because of all the rain we've had recently. The woods with the fields beyond. I tried to go through the fields, but it was just too muddy. I'm going to have to buy a pair of wellies. Fallen tree. A lot of trees came down in Storm Arwen the other month. The sun, in fact, like I say, it's quite warm today. And a dog. Right, take care.